Hey, what's up? How you doing? It's Giant Grooms. I'm in my garage because I'm gonna be a little childish today. I have empty bottles of beard oil or bottles of beard oil that are pretty much near empty. You can't really see it because it's amber glass, but this is a pretty empty bottle of the Bearded Max Roaring 20s. Really good scent, by the way. I loved wearing it when I had it. You can do one thing when you have empty beard oil bottles. You could just toss them in your recycling or throw them in your trash if you don't recycle. But today, I'm gonna dispose of mine in a different way. So I got my little Red Ryder here. Let's begin. Now, just to make this clear, all the bottles that I have over there are empty or near empty, or they're about 2 or 3 years old and they've lost their scent. So, like I said, you can either just toss them away or you can dispose of them in a creative way, which I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna bring the camera over there to the firing range and see if I hit any. You see I'm hitting it right there, right at the top of the bottle. These Barn brand beard bottles are really strong. I mean, I gotta get it down to the glass. Oh man, that's crazy. It's like it went right to the top. Feel like we can do one more time, get that really done. What's we got? Right at the top there. Let's get this one done. A tough son of a... I got it done. That was old beard oil bottle disposal. Johnny Groom's way. All right, that's all I got for today. Catch you on the next one. Bye.